Welcome to Sensei Crypto, your trusted guide in the crypto universe. Today, we're unraveling a fascinating topic: Crypto Expose, unveiling what big banks keep secret. This video will shed light on the intricate relationship between traditional financial institutions and the burgeoning world of cryptocurrency. Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our insightful content. The crypto revolution and traditional banking. We kick off by exploring how cryptocurrencies are revolutionizing the financial sector and why big banks are paying close attention. Dive into the history of crypto and its growing impact on the global financial landscape. The fear factor: banks and cryptocurrency threat. Traditional banks view cryptocurrencies as a threat due to their potential to disrupt the banking sector. Cryptocurrencies, underpinned by decentralized finance, DeFi, operate without central authorities, challenging the traditional banking model. This shift towards peer-to-peer transactions threatens the control and relevance of established financial institutions, leading to resistance. The tension between traditional banks and the evolving world of crypto highlights the significant impact of blockchain technology on the financial industry. 2. The adoption curve. How banks are embracing crypto. Many banks are now embracing cryptocurrency, recognizing blockchain's potential. They're integrating this technology to improve efficiency and security. Some have begun offering crypto services, like digital wallets and trading platforms, responding to client demand. This change shows a growing acceptance of crypto in traditional banking, indicating a significant shift towards merging new financial technologies with established systems. 3. The regulatory battle: banks, governments, and crypto. We explore the intricate dynamics between banks, government regulations, and cryptocurrency. Recent regulatory developments play a pivotal role in shaping the crypto landscape. Governments worldwide are crafting policies that impact how banks interact with cryptocurrencies, from imposing guidelines on crypto transactions to exploring digital currency issuance. These regulations are crucial in determining the future integration of crypto within traditional banking systems and the broader financial market, signaling a transformative phase in both sectors. 4. The impact on consumers and investors. The changing stance of banks towards cryptocurrency has significant implications for consumers and investors. As banks begin to adopt and integrate crypto, it opens new opportunities for everyday transactions and investments in digital currencies. However, this evolving landscape also brings risks, especially in terms of market stability and regulatory compliance. For consumers and investors, understanding these shifts is vital to navigate the opportunities and challenges presented by the convergence of traditional banking with the emerging world of crypto. 5. Big banks' crypto strategies. Hidden agendas revealed. We examine the often covered strategies big banks employ in the crypto realm. This analysis involves dissecting their investment tactics and contrasting these with public declarations, providing a clearer picture of their true stance on digital currencies. By uncovering these behind-the-scenes activities, we reveal how traditional financial institutions are navigating and possibly influencing the rapidly evolving world of cryptocurrency. This exploration sheds light on the complex interplay between conventional banking and the burgeoning crypto market. 6. Preparing for the future, staying ahead in the crypto game. In the evolving landscape where traditional banking meets crypto, it's crucial to stay informed for wise financial decisions. We provide tips on keeping up with trends and regulatory shifts, understanding crypto risks, and gauging traditional banking's changing crypto policies. This knowledge helps you align your financial strategies with market developments and personal goals, ensuring informed and adaptive decision-making in this dynamic financial sphere. The ongoing transformation of finance. We wrap up by reflecting on how the crypto movement is transforming the financial sector and what to expect in the future. From new technologies to changing regulatory landscapes, the world of finance is evolving rapidly. Thank you for watching Crypto Expose, unveiling what big banks keep secret on Sensei Crypto. If you enjoyed this video and found it insightful, please give us a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments below. Stay tuned to Sensei Crypto for more deep dives into the world of cryptocurrencies.